Assalamualaikum, sayang sobat.
Salam.
Kita nak pergi mana ni?
Kita nak pergi Tokyo Outer Saloon.
Dekat Selung.
Ya. Kita nak tengok kereta-kereta apa? Advance lah. Kita nak bawa masuk ke Malaysia.
Bawa masuk ke Malaysia?
Yeah.
Okay, so sekarang ni kita berada dekat dalam mimpi. Mimpi apa? Mimpi Tokyo Auto Saloon. Sekarang ni kita dekat TAS, dekat Tokyo. So right now kita nak masuk, nak check out apa yang ada dekat 12 hall yang diorang dah sediakan dengan kereta-kereta yang banyak ni. So tadi kita baru beratur, orang memang aku cakap dengan kau ramai, berduyun. Nak cakap event ni 3-4 hari total 500,000 memang boleh percaya. Sebab apa? Hari pertama saja nak masuk beratur macam orang gila. Padahal ni kat Jepun tau. Dekat Jepun dia mana suka orang nak beratur lambat-lambat ni. Nak beratur jam apa semua, dia orang very efficient. Tapi efficient dia orang pun still jam. Maksudnya memang ramai lah yang datang. Kita beratur tadi tak lebih daripada 20 minit lah. So sekarang kita dah sampai, kita dah masuk. So now what we have to do is kita kena cari tempat yang kita nak pergi. Kita ada ni. Okay, so ini event guide dia. Apa yang ada pada pukul 9 sampai sekian-sekian. So ini adalah hari Sabtu. Ni dekat hall. Banyak bahasa Jepun. Aku faham, aku tak tahu kau faham ke tak. So ini ada, yang ini Zaid nak cari. Cakap. So macam-macam lah. So kau tengok dia punya map. Memang kau. So map besar. Nantilah kita kena tengok what is here. So let's go. This is it. This is the car yang actually menjadi inspiration untuk Motominute start buat kereta Nissan Silvia. Is this car? N-Star punya S15. Kau tengok, 2025 Formula Drift Japan FD J3 Champion Riki Nakamura. Alah, hai, handsome-nya. So, diorang ni memang one of the most famous Japanese drifters yang ada dekat Japan. Not just because of their driving style, but also because of their car, of their presentation of their car. So inilah keretanya. Aku still in disbelief. In awe bro, in awe.
Betul Mat, kita sampai ni.
Kita dah sampai sini. Gambar. Okay, sekarang kita berada dekat Top Secret, salah satu vendor yang pernah datang ke Malaysia juga. Not just in Japan, but also dekat Malaysia. But yang bezanya kalau dekat Japan ni kau dapat tengok almost all the lineups of kereta dia. So macam kau tengok ada 35, 34, 33, 32 dan ada 32 yang dia pernah bawa kat Malaysia tu. So ini adalah semua kereta-kereta daripada Top Secret. Kereta ni akan nak tengok, is this the infamous car yang dia buat? No, this is not the car. Dia ada satu biji yang kalau kau tengok engine V12 dia masuk Fusion. So ini adalah kereta line up yang terbaru, which is the RX-7 REE Mamiya, but fully tuned and built by Top Secret. So inilah keretanya. Aku tengok banyak dekat story je. Nah, dia dekat sini. Memang handsome. So macam kalau kau tengok kat situ ada beer juga, beer Bayok from Thailand. So beer itu Tumtam.
Ya,
Tumtam. Your hair different. What your hair?
I switched the hair broken. Yeah.
Oh, hair broken.
Yeah.
This beer car?
Yeah.
Oh, beer car. Crazy.
chasing paper, then I know you can relate. I feel like a waiter, how I bring it to the table. I might run for mayor, my city need a savior. I wanna...
Mana datang Nabil ni? Ha? Macam mana Nabil boleh datang? Teleport dari mana? Sepanjang vlog ni tak ada pun.
Negara Hong Kong.
Hong Kong So kalau korang nak tahu Nabil, dia gerak sehari awal. Nabil?
Sorry. Kau tak macam pasal malam.
Ya.
Ni nama dia Uptown Tokyo.
Uptown Tokyo. Okay.
Uptown Tokyo sekarang.
Ada apa? Ada apa?
Last ni ada member aku jual rim.
Okay.
Rim Uncle Shah 199. RM 199.
RM1
Belah sini. Tu Proton Wira.
Foto Wira. Tunjuk sikit mana Wira.
Right now we are at Liberty Walk punya booth. Quite a far journey to get here. So one of the cars yang kita dah nampak is the R34 by Liberty Walk. So this R34, kalau kau tengok dia punya body kit, it's very very widen. And at the same time macam biasa kereta-kereta diorang of course kena ada elemen Bosozoku sikit. So that's what they are trying to do with this car. And at the same time, kalau korang kenal Kato-san, dia memang has a big love for American cars as well. So jom, aku ajak kat sini nak tunjuk. Okay, at the same time, salah satu American car yang diorang buat Liberty Walk punya body kit pun diorang ada display kat sini. So this is the price list of if you want to buy their body kits. So daripada R35 ada, Super Silhouette, Nissan 180 SX, Mazda RX-7, Ferrari 458. So diorang boleh shipkan barang ke korang, ataupun kalau korang nak cari kereta daripada Japan, diorang boleh sourcekan kereta tu and bawa ship to your country. Wherever you are lah. Kalau kat Malaysia dia hantar. So inilah list dia. Harga memang kerah boh. Harga memang kerah. Ni 2.8 million yen, which is around 72.
I don't think it's 2.8 million.
Nah, betul. That's the price.
72,000. Oh, body kit sekali.
Body kit je.
Oh.
Kau kereta sekali. Ni kerja nak mudah je, bhai. Kerja nak kereta sekali 72,000 all in. Memang tak dapat So 72,000 untuk kereta. So 72,000 untuk body kit. Kalau korang nak, dia boleh ambil shipkan ke mana-mana yang korang berada. Tapi kalau nak dengan kereta sekali, harga dia lain lah. Harga dia lagi mahal. So inilah dia Liberty Walk Japan. Okay, sekarang kita dekat 326 Power. Ni salah satu brand idol aku lah.
Tengok barang apa dia?
Kau tengok ada spoiler murah-murah doh. Flag. Aduh, banyaknya aku nak borong Okay, jap. Okay, so right now aku baru je beli some stuff at 326 Power. Woo! So as I was walking, aku nampak kereta Vertex ni clean gila doh. What the hell? A GTST R32 with chrome race wheels, body kit. Aish, memang cantik doh. This is the definition of clean lah, to be honest. This is clean. Okay, nanti maybe 32 punya new setup kita akan buat macam ni lah. Clean setup. And as we go to here, this is the car, kereta Chaser Driver Nakada. Kau ingat kan Daigo Saito? Tapi bukan. Vertex punya kereta cantik tu. Bloody hell, man. I like how they do their livery tau. Smart gila siut. E-brake dia pendek. Power lah Jepun ni, memang power. How are you gonna ever get a car this clean? It's nice. And then this 180 SX. Memang dia orang suka merah. Sora. fucking bloody beautiful, bro. So, as you guys can see, itulah kereta-kereta yang ada kat belakang ni, dekat Vertex. So when you go to Tokyo Auto Saloon, this is the things that you get to see up front. Kereta-kereta made by these Japanese brands, modded by these Japanese brands to fit to whatever that you need. So cantik lah, smart tu. Haish. Aduh. Okay, aku nak ambil gambar sekejap sebab cantik sangat.
What I'm doing, but your bitch love it. She love it. She love it. She love it. She love it. That's why I'm falling on your bitch in the club bucket. Yeah, nigga. Falling on your bitch like a fadeaway. First I gotta bang it like a 808. Here comes Superman trying to say today. She see all this ice on me, she trying to skate away. You save all your money for a rainy day. I'm the weatherman, every day a rainy day. Nigga, and it's a light chance of snow too. Fuck you looking at, I can snatch your hoe too.
Okay, bila kita jalan-jalan, adalah satu brand Malaysia yang ada dekat sini, iaitu Petronas. But yang gila bab sebenarnya is dia display bukan kereta caleng-caleng, dia display AMG One, Mercedes AMG One. Kau tak rasa gila? I've done one video on this. So, kereta ni ada engine F1 but in a road legal car. How does that work? I don't even know. Super crazy, bro. The emblem is painted.
Yeah, it's like 3D painting.
Yeah, bro. Super duper nice. Super duper crazy. So let's see whose suit is that. Huh. Helmet, aduh. So yeah. So that's that. At Tokyo Auto Saloon, ada Petronas, ada AMG One. So then we're gonna head over to Liberty Walk because they have a launching of their new car soon. And stay tuned. Okay, so I just got word of a super crazy car. So tengok ni. As you guys can see, the front is a Supra Mark 5. But why does it have a 2JZ engine with a big ass turbo? Mark 5, 2JZ, big ass turbo. What? Targa top? Nah, this can't be it. It's a Mark 4 Supra. Mark 4 Supra converted into a Mark 5 Supra.
Why would they do that to a Mark 4?
Why?
Bro, this is kind of upsetting.
Why?
Mark 4 is better. The look
Oh yeah, true. That's true.
is crazy.
That's true though.
That's like ruining.
That's true though. That's true. But I don't think it's done yet, right?
I don't know.
Look at the inside though. It ain't done. But like crazy though.
You wouldn't do that to a clean stock OEM Mark 4.
Yeah.
Like, you gotta have nuts in your brain. But that's cool.
But that's cool. Yeah. 2JZ.
No shit. Oh, I gotta bleep that out.
So yeah. Yeah. Mark 4 Supra with a Mark 5 body kit and a Mark 4 engine. How crazy is that? Alright, let's go.
Awet.
Jahat tu sejuk.
Angin tak kuat tu tapi
Tapi sekali kena tu.
tajam.
Kejam.
Habis steady je habis.
Ayah tu.
Ayah.
Pakai ayah.
Ayah. Ayah sejuk ke ayah?
Sejuk.
Oh, ini lagi jahat boh. Ayah steady je.
Okey.
Ya, ayah steady. Je.
Ni tempat dia.
Oh, ayah tahu sini ayah.
Loser.
Think too good, you know I'm a giant. Didn't come see it, you know I ain't lying. Yeah, the Jack, I'm whipping the game full time. You just rhyme the line. If she ain't dead, then you know she ain't lying. If it ain't funny, you know I can't try.
Okay, so sekarang kita dah sampai ke Dash, kat highway Dash. So tempat sini dapat orang lepak. Tengok ni.
Cuma malam ni dash sejuk.
Oh, Dash sejuk sikit lah.
Jom kita tengok Supra Bear. Bear ada bawa Supra ada malam.
So, Abang Meh hari ni buat Supra. Sebab lama lah. Sebab daripada itu pergi event Penang.
Tak nak cakap event siapa? Event Penang dah.
Buat turun, loader. Lepas tu kita turun tak kita buat turun kat Motormania. Lepas tu game Motormania tu hantar kat sini lah.
Apa? Gila lah, berdiri sikit sebelah kita. Owner.
So hari tu kan kita buat turun kereta kat HQ. Abang lupa nak ambil kereta dia. So kita buat datang sini. Kali yang kereta Abang Fabi. Kereta Abang Fabi, kereta Cinoy.
Geng MSOG lah.
Ni MSOG.
Jom jalan.
Sini. So kita parkir sini lah sementara kan. Nanti lagi balik apa? Loader ambil ke siapa balik ni?
Kita panggil Abang Zul.
Sama ni apa main punya kereta ni?
So kereta aku pun dah tukar. Aku dah tukar warna putih dengan 2 pintu.
Oh tu, kau punya.
Chaser kat sini murah. Sefiro yang mahal.
Ya.
Sefiro kereta orang kaya. Sebab tu kau tak nampak sangat Sefiro. Our third day in Tokyo is truly the stuff of dreams. My lifelong goal to come and experience Tokyo Auto Salon was realized, and I have to say, this event takes the cake. From specially made cars to seeing our hero car up close, this was truly special. And to top it all off, we made our way to Unihotaru and experienced the Japanese street culture up close. What a way to end our day. Still, we have more exciting places to hit, so stay tuned, follow us, and subscribe to see more. Papa Roger, ciao.